Researchers investigating adaptive structures with high-speed cameras are revolutionizing both aerodynamic and unmanned underwater vehicle designs. Combining robotics and biomimicry, the FAST Lab designed a fish robot consisting of adaptive structures. Characterizing the robot's nonlinear kinematics helps develop UUV designs with greater agility and efficiency. The team also engineered and trained a mechanical neural network to investigate smart aerodynamic structures capable of optimizing their performance in response to turbulence. Stereo-digital image correlation and phantom high-speed cameras allowed the researchers gather strain data from the adaptable structures to progress innovative UUV and aerodynamic designs. Find out more in our case study.